Hello students, today we are going to learn how to fill the bubble sheet of ninth class. In the left column write the date, fill the following circles, Matric Part 1 Annual Morning or Evening, subject according to your roll number slip. Again fill the date, roll number and paper code. Fill the circles with blue black pen or marker. Write your name, father's name, roll number in words and then signature in the given spaces. On the next page, write paper code and fill the circle of right option, given for respective MCQ. Remember, filling more than one option, cutting or overwriting results 0 mark in that MCQ. Dear students, hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching.